So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to see how to create reminder and notes in Google Keep. So friend, this is my Google Keep, and friend, here you can see this plus icon. Just click on that, and here you can create your notes very easily. For example, this is notes 1, and here you can add different things. Just click on this plus icon. So here you can add these things. For example, if you want to add photo, you can simply click on this take photo, so that will take images. And here you can also add images, and you can also draw over here, and also add your recording over here. And this is checkbox. For example, this is item 1, this is item 2. So here you can also create this type of list over here, and this will done. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can create notes in Google Keep. So stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Thank you.